Hello, my math superstars. I hope you are all well. Before we begin, let's go over our superstar rules. Respect yourself and others. Listen carefully. Follow directions. Try your best. Our I can statement today says, I can draw a picture to add tens. Our first problem says 22 plus 10 equals unknown number. Now we are going to review quickly how we used our math tools to add tens. Our first part is 22. 22 has two tens, so I have two 10 sticks and two ones. I have two ones. Put together with 10. 10 has one 10, so I have one 10 stick, and it has 0 ones, so I did not put any ones. We know plus means put together. We are going to take our tens first and put our tens together. We don't have any ones together to put together, so these will stay here. 22 put together with or plus 10 equals, well, let's count. We've got three tens, or we can count them the regular way. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So 22 plus 10 equals 32. Now, we can solve that same problem, but we can use a math picture instead. So we've got 22 put together with 10. So the first thing we're going to do is draw 22. Now we know that we could draw our tens this way. Draw 10, 3, 4, 5, skip a little space, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And when we have 10, we can bundle them by drawing a line to put them together in a bundle that makes 10. But we're going to draw our math picture a little bit differently today. We are going to use quick tens. When we make a quick 10, instead of having to draw the 10 ones, we just draw a 10 stick. So 22 has two 10 sticks, so I'm going to draw 1, 2 10 sticks for the two 10s here in the tens place. 22 has two ones, so I'm going to draw two ones. 10 has one 10, so I draw one quick 10 stick, and it has 0 ones, so I do not draw any ones. Now we can count what we drew in our picture to put our parts together. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. 22 plus 10 equals 32. So let's read our I can statement again, just to remind ourselves what we are going to be doing today. I can draw a picture to add tens. Let's read this problem. It says, uh-oh, I tried to get tricky. What did I do here? I put our unknown number in the beginning. Don't let me trick you. Let's read it and think carefully. Unknown number equals 26 plus 30. Let's look for our plus or minus sign. It's a plus. Plus means put together. What are we putting together in this problem? 26 and 30. The whole is going to go here in front of the equal sign. Remember, in addition, the parts are with the plus sign, and the whole is always by itself. So our parts are 26 put together with 30. Let's look at our part of 26. Does it have any tens? It's got two tens. So let's use a quick 10 to draw 2 tens. 1 10 stick, 2 10 sticks. Does 26 have ones? It's got 6 ones. So let's draw the 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's look at our other part. What are we putting together with 26? We're putting 30 together with 26. Does 30 have any tens? It has 3 tens. So what are we going to draw 3 tens with? Quick tens. Let's draw them. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. Does 30 have any ones? It does not, so I do not need to draw any ones. So to put 26 together with 30, we can count them. Let's count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. Let's see. 56 equals 26 plus 30. Let's look at our other problem. 24 plus 20 equals unknown number. Oh, here, where did I put the unknown number or the whole, the unknown whole? It's at the end. Still an addition sentence. It has a plus sign, and our parts are still with the plus sign. Our parts are 24 and 20. Let's draw them using quick tens. How many tens does 24 have? It has 2 tens. We know this because there's a 2 right here in the tens place. So let's draw 2 quick tens. Does 24 have ones? 4 ones. Let's draw those. What are we putting together with 24? We're putting 20 together with 24. Does 20 have tens? 2 tens. Let's draw those using quick tens. Does 20 have any ones? No, there's a 0 in the ones place, so there are no ones. Let's double check our picture. 24, 2 tens, 4 ones. Put together with 20, 2 tens. Our picture looks great. So now we can count all of our tens and then count our ones to find our whole. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Let's check. We were right. Our whole is 44. Ooh, these look a little different than the other problems. That's right. These go up or down. We call these vertical addition. We still read it, though, starting at the top and going down, just the way we would read if we were reading in a book or a story. 25 plus 20 equals unknown number. Can we still use a picture to add these together? Sure can. So let's look at 25. How many tens does 25 have? Let's look. It has 2 tens, so I'm going to draw 2 quick tens to show those 2 tens. Does 25 have any ones? It does. It has 5 ones, so I'm going to draw 5 ones. What are we putting together with 25? 20. 25 put together with 20. Does 20 have any tens? It does. It has 2 tens, so I'm going to draw 2 tens. Does 20 have any ones? No, no ones. Let's double check that I drew it correctly. 25, 2 10s, 5 1s, 2 10s, 5 1s, put together with 20, 2 10s, 0 1s, 2 10s, 0 1s. All right, now we're ready to count. Let's count all of our 10s first. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. 25 plus 20 equals 45. Let's read our last problem together. 13 plus 20 equals unknown number. Look for our plus or minus sign. It's a plus, so we're putting together. What are we putting together? 13 put together with 20. Let's draw a math picture to add these together. We know 13 had one 10, so I'm going to draw one 10 stick. 13 has 3 1s, so how many 1s am I going to draw? 3. We're putting 13 together with 20. 20 has 2 10s, so I'm going to draw 2 10 sticks. It has 0 1s, so I'm not going to draw any 1s. Let's check to make sure our picture matches our equation. 1 10, 3 1s, put together with 2 10s, 0 1s. Okay, now what are we going to do? Let's count it. Let's start with our 10s. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Let's check our answer. 13 plus 20 equals 33. Nice job, my math superstars. Now you know how you can draw a picture to help you add.